The trivalent live attenuated influenza vaccine, marketed by Cipla Limited and manufactured by Serum Institute of India Limited, is an intranasally administered vaccine. The pack contains a glass vaccine vial containing a freeze-dried cake, an ampule containing sterile water for inhalation as diluent, a 1 ml plastic syringe for administration, a plastic draw-up needle for reconstitution and draw-up only, an intranasal spray device, and a dose divider. Method of reconstitution: remove the pack of vaccine from the cold storage. Allow the vaccine and the diluent to attain room temperature. If cold diluent is used to reconstitute the vaccine, you may encounter delay in dissolution. In the event of a need to use the vaccine that has been removed from the cold storage at short notice, use the palms of your hand to warm the vaccine and diluent to get them to the room temperature. Fix the draw-up needle on the syringe. Do not over-tighten the needle, as it may create difficulty in removing the needle. At the same time, do not leave it loose, as it will leak during the transfer of the liquids. Visually examine if there is any diluent trapped in the top of the ampule. Tap the ampule to ensure that the diluent trapped at the top descends into the ampule body. Open the ampule by twisting off the top and draw the entire contents into the syringe by tilting the ampule. It does not matter if there are any air bubbles in the diluent. Just ensure complete withdrawal of the diluent from the ampule. Snap off the vaccine vial flip top. Pierce the stopper of the vial with the needle and push in the syringe containing the diluent into the vaccine vial. Allow the diluent to be drawn into the vial. Push the plunger if required. Ensure that the entire syringe has been emptied. Disconnect the syringe from the needle to break any residual vacuum and to avoid impairment of the vaccine dissolution process. Rotate the vial gently between the palms till the cake is fully dissolved in case of any delay in dissolution of the cake. The vaccine reconstitution process is now complete. Method of administration: reconnect the needle onto the syringe and readjust the needle depth. Withdraw 0.5 ml of the reconstituted vaccine into the syringe. If there is any air bubble in the beginning, push the vaccine back into the vial and then re-withdraw it. Once the entire vaccine is withdrawn, disconnect the needle from the syringe. Replace the needle with the intranasal spray device and ensure that the spray device is securely fitted. Fix the dose divider on the plunger of the syringe. Place spray device at the base of the nostril of the recipient sitting upright, with the head slightly tilted back. Push the plunger firmly in a single stroke to deliver the vaccine. 0.25 ml, that is half of the dose, is delivered. The plunger will stop automatically because of the presence of the dose divider. Draw back the plunger slightly and remove the dose divider. Repeat the above step to deliver the remaining 0.25 ml into the second nostril. Let the recipient remain with the head tilted back for about 30 seconds. This completes the administration of the entire dose. The vaccine is delivered as a spray that primarily deposits in the nose and nasopharynx. After delivering the dose, disable the syringe by pulling back the plunger rod or piston from its stem to prevent reuse of the syringe and spray device. Once Nosovac S has been administered, the used vaccine devices in all its parts should be disposed of according to the standard procedures for medical waste, that is, Sharps container or biohazard container. Important instructions: Nosovac S should be used immediately after reconstitution. Under no circumstances should Nosovac S be injected. Nosovac S should be stored in the refrigerator at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade that's 35 to 46 degree Fahrenheit, upon receipt and until use. Use only the specially designed diluent supplied with the vaccine. Nosovac S. Protecting happiness.